Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to see about risk in Reliance. Reliance is one of the highly weighted Nifty stock, and Reliance is into various businesses like O2C, digital and retail. And every business in here is having a huge risk in the future. Now we are going to see about those risks involved in each business. First, percentage of revenue contributed by these segments. 52% of revenue comes from O2C business and 25% from the retail business and 15% from digital business. First, we will see about retail business. Some of the big names under Reliance Retail is Reliance Fresh, Reliance Smart, AGO, Reliance Trends. Reliance went on a deal with Future Group. As a part of this deal, 69% of Future Group business is sold to Reliance. This also includes future consumers, future supply chain, future retail, future market networks, future lifestyle and fashion. Some of the big names under Future Group which gets transferred to Reliance are Big Bazaar, FBB, Brand Factory and Nilgiris. This deal is successfully defended by Amazon, and in the meanwhile Amazon is not letting Reliance AGO to capture the e-commerce dominance. On the other hand, Future Retail is deteriorating its brand value day by day due to immense debt pressure. This is a very huge risk in Reliance retail business. Next is Reliance digital business. Jio, which is the highest operating margin providing business to Reliance. Reliance waited for 6+ years to finally introduce Jio into the telecom market. Reliance invested 50 billion USD for 1,75,000 towers and 1.1 million kilometers of fiber net and finally introduced Jio into the market on 5th September 2016. The risk here is Starlink by Elon Musk. Starlink, which is already available in northern US and southern Canada, from this February onwards, it's expanded to other parts of the world like Australia. This will be a disruptive innovation which replace existing users to completely move towards satellite-based internet. Let's see what and all Starlink promises to its customers. High speed, low latency broadband internet. They are giving a speed of 50 Mbps to 150 Mbps and a latency from 20 milliseconds to 40 milliseconds in most locations over next several months. They are also promising that if they launch more satellites, install more ground stations, and improve their networking software, data speed, latency, and uptime will improve dramatically. Next is Reliance O2C business. This is a business which even Reliance is trying to get out, but a slowdown here will impact the Reliance revenue to a greater extent, which is evident during these COVID times. They are trying to sell 20% of their stakes to Saudi Aramco. That deal is not yet finalized and dragging like Future Retail deal. Future moving towards renewable energy and batteries. These two are the areas of scope for Reliance. Most analysts say the same. To summarize all that we discussed, Amazon blocking the deal in retail segment, Starlink will be a disruptive innovation against Jio, and Reliance trying to become net carbon zero by 2035, but it's struggling to get out of this O2C business. To watch more videos like this, stay connected with my channel. Happy to hear suggestions from you in the comments. Thank you for watching.